think you're nailing push-ups, you might actually be wrecking your shoulders without even knowing it. 90% of people do push-ups wrong, and that's why they feel pain instead of progress. Today, I'll show you how to fix it once and for all. Let's start with what most people get wrong. First, the shrugged shoulder push-up. You know that one? Arms flared out, elbows wide. Looks powerful, right? Wrong. That's the fastest way to destroy your shoulder joints. Second, the saggy back form. Your hips drop, core loose. It turns a full body exercise into a lower back disaster. And third, half reps. If your chest doesn't reach near the floor, you're not training your muscles fully. So, here's the right way, step by step. Start in a straight plank, hands under shoulders, feet hip-width apart. Imagine a straight line from your head to your heels. Tighten your core. Think of it as the foundation of a skyscraper. Without it, everything above collapses. As you lower down, your elbows should move at about a 45-degree angle, not flared out like wings. Lower slowly until your chest is just an inch above the ground. Then push back up by driving through your palms and squeezing your chest. Want to take it up a level? Try pausing for 1 second at the bottom. That's how you build real control and strength. Or go for tempo push-ups. 3 seconds down, 1 second up. Feel that burn? That's your body learning proper tension. And